Imagine wanting to become a lawyer your entire life. Not for money, not for fame, but because you want to fight for people who can't fight for themselves. Now imagine that the one thing standing between you and that dream is your own voice. This is the story of a young man whose stutter keeps closing every door in front of him until he discovers an unexpected way to speak without fear. Today, we're diving into Legal Beat, Gyakuten no Hotei, one of Japan's most unique legal dramas of 2026. And trust me, this isn't your typical courtroom series. Let's get into it. Our main character is Taichi Sora. Ever since he was young, Taichi dreamed of becoming a lawyer. He believes the law should protect ordinary people, especially those who don't have the power to defend themselves. He's incredibly intelligent. In fact, he passes Japan's extremely difficult bar examination on his very first attempt. Normally, that would guarantee a successful career. But reality is much harsher. During job interviews, Taichi struggles with a severe stutter. Every interview becomes another painful reminder that ability isn't always enough. Employers don't see his intelligence. They notice his hesitation. His confidence slowly begins to fade. One rejection becomes another, then another, until his dream seems almost impossible. It's a heartbreaking situation because the audience knows he's fully capable. He simply can't express himself the way others expect. Just when it feels like all hope is lost, Taichi receives an unexpected opportunity. He joins a small, struggling law office that doesn't look anything like the prestigious firms everyone dreams of working for. Instead of polished offices and expensive suits, this place feels chaotic, unpredictable, and completely unconventional. The director of the firm is Yukimura Asumi. From the very beginning, Asumi says something that completely changes the tone of the story. She claims, "The law cannot save people." For someone who devoted his life to becoming a lawyer, those words are shocking. If the law can't save people, then what exactly has Taichi been fighting for? It's a question that quietly follows him throughout the episode. Then we meet the firm's star lawyer, Hoshi Hideyuki. He's brilliant, confident, completely unpredictable. Unlike most legal drama protagonists, Hoshi isn't interested in impossible battles. He openly says he never accepts a case he can't win. At first, that sounds arrogant. But the more you watch him, the more you realize there's a deeper philosophy behind those words. He understands that emotions alone don't win court cases. Preparation does. Strategy does. Evidence does. His methods may seem strange, but his results speak for themselves. The contrast between Taichi's idealism and Hoshi's cold practicality creates one of the most interesting dynamics in the series. Now here's the twist that makes this drama completely different from anything else. Taichi has lived his entire life struggling to speak. But there's one strange exception. Whenever he speaks, in the rhythm of rap, his stutter disappears. Suddenly, the words flow naturally. His confidence returns. The fear vanishes. It's not presented as some magical superpower. Instead, it's a fascinating psychological detail that becomes an important part of his identity. For someone whose greatest obstacle has always been communication, finding one place where his voice is completely free feels incredibly emotional. It's also one of the most original character concepts introduced in a legal drama in recent years. Episode 1 doesn't rush into huge courtroom victories. Instead, it focuses on introducing its characters, their beliefs, and the emotional conflicts they'll face moving forward. The legal cases aren't just about winning arguments. They're designed to expose difficult issues hidden within modern society. Every member of the law office approaches justice differently. Some rely on emotion, others rely on logic. And Taichi stands somewhere in between, trying to discover what kind of lawyer he truly wants to become. The episode balances courtroom drama, personal struggle, and surprisingly heartfelt moments, rather than relying on action. It builds suspense through conversations, moral dilemmas, and the uncertainty of whether justice is ever as simple as it seems. For a first episode, Legal Beat, Gyakuten no Hotei does an excellent job introducing a fresh legal drama with memorable characters and a unique central idea. Taichi isn't the strongest lawyer. He isn't the most experienced. But he's someone you'll genuinely want to see succeed. His journey isn't just about winning cases. It's about finding the confidence to let his own voice be heard. And if the first episode is any indication, the road ahead won't be easy. But it will definitely be worth watching. If you enjoyed this spoiler-free breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next episode explanation. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.